Hi there, students. Okay, in this video I wanted to look at the verb to unwind. Let's see, to wind, you take a piece of string and you go round and round and round something. That's to wind. Well, the opposite is to unwind. So firstly, we use this verb to unwind, meaning to relax. Yeah. So after work in the evening, when I get home, I like to sit in my comfortable chair, pour myself a drink and watch the news to unwind. So to unwind, to become less stressed. Notice, unwind, unwound, unwound. So I slowly unwound as I sat there in my chair. So it's an irregular verb as well. Okay, so to unwind, to relax. If you unwind something that's wrapped around something, you take it off. So the doctor unwound the bandages and looked at the wound. Okay, so unwind it, unfasten it, take it off. Okay, so to relax and allow your mind to be free from worries after work, to unwind. A glass of wine might help you unwind. The string was round the book and I unwound the string. Now you can also use unwind to talk about to resolve a complicated situation. So his business affairs were very, very complicated, and it was very difficult to unwind all the different pieces, to unwind the position. Okay, so something really quite complicated, you unwind it. They also use this in stocks and shares to unwind a position where you're betting on shares going up or down, but you finally need to resolve the position. I'm thinking as well, the plot in a film slowly unwinds. It slowly gets you get to see more and more and more of it. Yeah. So the film slowly started to unwind. I think maybe a marriage or a relationship could unwind, become loose and break apart. Okay, so to stop having cohesion, to unwind. So after a couple of years, the marriage began to unwind. Okay, so to unwind, to stop being held together strongly, to stop being cohesive, if you like. So you unwind after a long hard day, you relax. You can unwind a ball of string, untangle. You can unwind a difficult or complicated situation, to pull it apart slowly, piece by piece. You could unwind a problematic situation. A story could unwind. Yeah, it could unroll, it could come out. So you're undoing a financial position or taking the necessary steps. To unwind, to unfold, to become disentangled. So yeah, the relationship began to unwind, began to break up. Okay, so to unwind, formality. I think I'm going to give this a 5.5 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere. And be very careful, it's an irregular verb. Wind, wound, wound. Unwind, unwound, unwound. Let's see. There's an Old English word, unwindan, meaning to unwind or to unwrap. And there's a Proto-Germanic word, and a windana, to unwind as well. And I think this wind has got the idea of coil, so to uncoil. We've even got a Dutch word, onto winden, to unwind. So to unwind. What do you do in the evening to unwind? Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To unwind.